Good afternoon, students. In our yesterday's class, we have solved the examples problems. Okay. So based on what the problems were based on addition and subtraction together, doing the addition and subtractions together. Okay. So on this topic, we have solved the examples problems yesterday. Now today we will start the exercise problems, solving the exercise problems. So exercise number 2.3. In today's class we will solve the exercise problems. Okay. So exercise number 2.3. Please open your textbook in the page number 49. You are having exercise number 2.3. Okay. Page number 49. All of you open your textbook and read the questions. Okay. Now I will write here the first one. A. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. Okay, so this is the main question, and then the first question I will write. So these are the MCQs type of questions which are containing three options A, B and C. Okay, which number is 56,000? Which number is 56,201 more than 78,331? 78,331. Okay, so this is the question. They have given the option as the first one is the second option is 22,130, and the third option is what? It is 1,36,452. Okay, so we should tick the correct answer. So whatever the answer we will get, now we should compare that answer with these three options, and whichever is matching to that answer, we should tick that one as the correct. Okay. So now in the question, what they have given, which number is 56,201 more than 78,331? So we have solved these kinds of problems in our yesterday's class in the examples problems. Okay. So here also it is of the same kind. Now which number is 56,201 more than 78,331? Okay. So for that, what I will do, I will add these two numbers. Okay. So after adding these two numbers, whatever the sum we will get, that number is 56,201 more than this 78,331. Okay. Now let us add these two numbers. See here, 78,331 and 56,201 I will add. See here, 1 plus 1 is 2, 3 plus 0 is 3 only, 3 plus 2 is 5 it is, 8 plus 6 becomes 14. I will write 4, take 1 as a carry. Now 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 5 is how much? 8 plus 5 is 13. Okay, we have got this much answer. So check whether in these three options you are having this answer or not. So it is 1,34,532. It is the answer we have got. Now in the first option we have 1,34,532. So this answer is matching to the first option. So we can write the first option as the correct one. Okay, it's like that. It is different and this is also different. Okay, so we have got the answer as 1,34,532, which is given in the first option. So that's why I will tick like this. It is the correct one. Okay, like this we should tick the correct answer. Okay, now let us move to the second question. Which number is which number is 4200 less than 6128. Okay, which number is 4200 less than 6128? So if in between two numbers, if we are having less than, then we should subtract the smaller number from the bigger number, and if in case if you are having more than in between any two numbers, you should add those two numbers. Okay, so here we are having less than, so here 4200 and 6128 are there. So here bigger one is what? 6128 is bigger than 4200. Okay, so for that I will subtract 4200 from this 6128. Okay, so after the subtraction of these two numbers, whatever the answer we will get, okay, that number will be 4200 less than this 6128. Okay, so this is the question. Now the options they have given are 10,328 and the B option is 1928 and the C option is 1017. Okay, which number is 4200 less than 6128? For that I will subtract this 4200, which is smaller than this 6128. I will subtract 4200 from 6128. Okay, now let us subtract 6128. I have written. Below that I will write 4200. Okay, now let us subtract. 8 minus 0 is 8 only. 2 minus 0 is 2 only. 1 minus 2 is not possible because 1 is smaller than 2. For that I will take 1 carry from this 6. Now this 1 becomes 11. Here we left with 5. Okay, if you subtract 2 from 11, what you will get? We will get 9. Okay, now subtract 4 from 5. What you will get? You will get 1. So 1928 is the result, means the difference we have got after subtracting these two numbers. Okay, now check whether in the given options you are having 1928 or not. So in the first option it is 10,328, so it is not matching with this one, so leave it. Okay, now come to the B option. In the B option we are having 1928, which is matching to our answer. Okay, so we will take this B option as the correct one like this. Okay, so in the C option also we are having 1017, but it is not getting matched with our answer. Okay, so leave it. So our answer is what? Our answer is the option B. Okay, you people please tick like this with the help of pencil in your textbooks. Okay, and if you want, you can take the rough work by the side of the book or in your rough notebook. Okay. Now, moving on to the question number 3, which number should be added to 23,694 to get 45,1327. It is 4,51,327. Okay, question mark. Let us see what the options they have given. So 45132 means it is 45,132. Okay. Here we are having 23,694. Okay. 21,438. Here the B option is 68,826. Here the C option is 23,692. Okay. Now in the question what they have asked? They have asked which number should be added to this 23,694 to get 45,132. So same kind of problems we have also solved in yesterday's class. I will tell you the number of that question. So in the question number 47 you are having one question in the examples problems which we have solved yesterday. So which number needs to be added to 56,401 to get 67,341. So here this problem is of the same kind. In the question they have given you one added, okay, and they have asked you another added, and they have also given you the sum. Okay, so how means a1 plus a2 is equal to sum. They have given one added, okay, but you don't know the another added, and they have also given you the sum. This is the sum and this is the first added. We need to find the second added. Okay, so for that what I will do is I will write in place of a1 it is 23,694, and it is first added. a1 means first added, and in place of a2 what you will write? I will write a2 as it is. So we know the sum. Sum is how much they have given? It is 45,132. Okay. Now we need to find this a2 value. For that what I will do? I will subtract this a1 value from the sum. Then I will get a2 value. Okay. Now to find the value of a2, if this 23,694 comes to this side, means here I am subtracting directly. I am subtracting this first added from the sum. See here, if this comes this side, then it changes its sign. It becomes minus. Okay, here it is in the plus form. It comes after crossing the equal symbol. It changes its symbol. This plus 23,694 becomes minus 23,694. Okay. So after doing the subtraction of the sum and the added one, you will get the value of added 2. Okay. Now let us subtract these two numbers. I will subtract here 45,132. It is 632. Now let us subtract 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 is not possible because 2 is smaller than 4. For that I will take one carry from these 3. Then after taking, one borrow I will take. After taking one borrow from these 3, now this 2 becomes 12. Here we left with 2. Okay. Now if you subtract 4 from 12, what you will get? We will get 8. Here we cannot subtract 9 from 2 because 2 is smaller than 9. So for that what I will do? I will take one borrow. Then after taking one borrow, this 2 becomes 12. Here we left with 6. Now if you subtract 9 from 12, we will left with how much? We left with 3. Now we cannot subtract 6 from 0 because 0 is less than 6. For that once again I will take one borrow from this 5. Now this 0 becomes 10. Here we left with 4. Now 10 minus 6 is possible. If you subtract 6 from 10, what you will get? You will get 4. Okay. Now 4 minus 3. If you subtract 3 from 4, what you will get? You will get 4 minus 3 is 1. Now 4 minus 2 is how much? It is 2. Okay. We have got this much answer. So it is what? It is A2. A2 means the second added. Okay. Second added. Now check whether among these 3 options any one option is having this much value or not. So easily you can see the first option is having the same value, that is 21,438. Okay, so we can tick this as the correct one. Okay, so tick like this. The answer is the option A. How means we have calculated like this and we have got this much answer which is matching with the first option. So we have ticked the first option as the correct one. Okay, now move to the question number 4. Okay, which number is, in the question number 4, which number is 92,104 less than 1 lakh. Okay, which number is 92,104 less than 1 lakh? And the options given are 192104. B option is 136204 and the C option is 7896. Okay. In the question, which number is 92,104 less than 1 lakh? So I have told you earlier, so in between any two numbers you are having less than, then you should subtract the smaller number from the bigger. Okay, now compare from these two numbers, which is 92,104 and this is 1 lakh. So among these two numbers, which one is bigger? Here 1 lakh is bigger and this 92,104 is smaller than that. So for that, what I will do, I will subtract 92,104 from 1 lakh. Okay, and the difference and means the result whatever we will get after subtraction of these two numbers, that will be your answer. Okay, now let us subtract. Okay, so here 0 minus 4 is not possible. Here also we are having, here also we are having 0, here also we are having 0 only, here we are having 10. Okay, now I will take one borrow from this 10. Now this 0 becomes 9. Now to this I will take one borrow from this 9. Now this 0 becomes 10. Here we left with 8. Now for this 0 I will take one borrow from its neighbor, that is 10. Now this 0 becomes 10. Here we left with 9. Okay, now after giving one borrow, this 10 becomes 9 only. Now here we are having 0. For this, what I will do, I will take one borrow from this 10. Now this 10 becomes 9. Here we have 10. Okay, now let us subtract 4 from 10. If you subtract 4 from 10, what you will get? You will get 6. Okay, how means see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are having 10 number of bars in total. Now I will remove 4 bars from this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now count how many bars are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have got 6 now. So that's why I have written here 6. Now 9 minus 0 is what? 9 only. 9 minus 1 is what? 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. 9 minus 9 is 0. Okay. Yes. Then see here once again. So there is a difference in the answer. Once again I will subtract. You can see somewhere we have done mistake. this is 10. If I take one borrow from this 10, now this 0 becomes 10 only. Here we left with 9. Okay. For this, if I take one borrow from this 10, it becomes 10. And here we left with 9. Okay. Now for this, if I take one borrow from this 10, it becomes 10. And here we left with 9. For this 0, if I take one borrow from this 10, it becomes 10. And here we left with 9. Now 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 0 is 9 only. 9 minus 1 is what? It is 8. Okay, here 9 minus 2 is 7. But in the previous case we have got 6. So we have done mistake somewhere in the calculation. Okay, now we have got the correct result. 9 minus 9 is 0 only. So now check which option is having the value as 7,896. So we are having the option A 1,92,104, which is not the answer. So leave it. In the second option also we are having 1,36,204, which is not matching with the given one. So leave it. The C option is getting matched with this one, means 7,896. So here also in the option C we are having 7,896. Now tick the option C as the correct one. Okay. Now how will you tick? I will tick like this. Okay. So this is the question number 4, and we have got the answers also. Now let us move to the question number 5. The question number 5, what they have asked, which number should be added to 72,613? Okay, which number should be added to 72,613 to get 93,862? Okay, I will write the question here. It is, which number is which number should be added to 72,613, okay, to get it is 9,30,862. Okay, and the options given are 10,03,475. Okay, and the second one is 85,8,249, and the option C is 76,583. Okay, so this is the question of the same kind. It is of same as the question number 3. Okay, here they have given the first added, which number should be added to this to get 9,30,862. So they have given you the first addend, we need to find the second addend, and they have also provided you the sum. Okay, now we need to calculate, we need to find the second addend. Okay, so this is the first addend, this is the sum, but we need to find the second addend. Okay, for that what I will do, I will write like this. So this is the same as the question number 3. Okay, here we are having some. So the value of A1 means what here? It is added 1. So the value of added 1 is 72,613 plus we need to find the value of A2, means the added 2. So I will keep A2 as it is. Now the sum, what they have given, what? It is 9,30,862. Now I want A2. For that, what I will do, I will subtract this A1 value, means the added 1, from the sum. See here, I will subtract like this. Now let us subtract here. See, okay. Now 2 minus 3 is not possible because 2 is smaller than 3. For that I will take 1 borrow from this 6. Now this 2 becomes 12. Here we left with 5. Okay. Now 12 minus 3 is how much? It becomes 9. Now 5 minus 1 is 4. 8 minus 6 is what? It is 2. Now 0 minus 2 is also not possible. For that I will take 1 borrow from this 3. Now this 0 becomes 10. Here we left with 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. Okay. 2 minus 7 is also not possible because 2 is smaller than 7. For that, I will take 1 borrow from this 9. Now this 2 becomes 12. Here we left with 8. Okay. If you subtract 7 from 12, what you will get? You will get 5. Okay. Now write 8 as it is. Now check whether in any option we are having this 8,58,249 or not. So in the first option we are having 10,03,475. Now leave it. Now in the B option we are having 8 lakh. Okay, it is 8,58,249, which is matching with the answer whatever we have got. 8,58,249. This 8,58,249 is what? It is A2. Means it is the value of the second addend. It means if we add 72,613 with this 8,58,249, then we will get this much as the answer. Okay. A1 plus A2, if we add first addend and the second addend, if we add two addends, then only we will get the sum, no? But in the question, they have given you only one addend. We need to find the second addend and they have also given you directly the sum. So in the question, what was required? Addend 2 was required and we have calculated the addend 2 and we have got the answer as 8,58,249. Okay, so this value is given in the option B. So I will take the option B as the correct one. Okay, now this is the completion of the question number A. Now we are having the question number B. Okay, in the question number A we are having the 5 questions. So we have completed those 5 questions completely. Okay, now we will move to the question number B. Okay. In the question number B, what they have asked? In the question number B, they have asked you to arrange in columns and solve. So they have given you the plus symbol and the minus symbol. Okay, we need to calculate the problem which is having both the plus and minus. Okay. So it is doing the addition and subtraction together kind of problems in the part B. Now let us solve them. Arrange in columns and solve. Okay, in that the first question is 7, 8, 5, 6, 4, 9. 7, 8, it is not 5, 6, it is 7, 8, 5, 4, it is 6, 9. Okay, 6, 9 we are having plus 62,735 minus 186577. Okay, now here it is 6, 9. So in the yesterday's class only I have told you. So you should calculate these kinds of problems stepwise. In the first step, what you should do? We should collect the numbers having the plus symbol one side. So here no need of collecting the numbers having the plus symbol one side because already they have given in the arranged form only. Here it is having plus symbol. The second number is also having the plus symbol. They have given the two numbers having the plus symbol one side and they have written the number having the minus symbol on another side. Okay, now you need to arrange these numbers in the columns and you need to calculate. Now first of all you need to do the addition and then whatever the answer you will get from the addition, from that we need to subtract this number. Okay, now let us do the addition of the first two numbers. See here, 7, 8, 5, 4, 6, 9. I will add this number with this. Okay, this is the first added, this is the second added. We need to add these two. Now see here, 9 plus 5 is how much? 9 plus 5 is 14. Right here 4, take 1 as a carry. Now 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Write 0, take 1 as a carry. Now 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 7. If you add 7 plus 5, then what you will get? You will get 12. Write 2, take 1 as a carry. Now 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is how much? 6 plus 2 is 8. Now write 8 here. Now here 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is how much? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 it is. Now write here 14, 4. Take 1 as a carry. Now 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay, we have got 8,48,204 as the sum after adding the first two numbers. Now from this sum we need to subtract this number. Okay, now once again we should write in continuation only. So this is the sum we have got after adding the first two numbers. Okay, now I will subtract this number from this sum. Okay, how means? See here. Okay, now subtract. 4 minus 7 is not possible. For that I will take 1 borrow, but its neighbor is 0. We cannot take 1 borrow from this 0 also. For that I will take 1 borrow from this 2. Now this 0 becomes 10. Okay, here we left with 1. Now 10 minus, if we take 1 borrow from this 10, now this 4 becomes 5. 4, this 4 becomes what? It becomes 14, not 5. 14 it becomes. And here we left with 9. Okay, now for your understanding purpose, what I will do, I will do the subtraction separately because you are getting confused. Okay, so this is the answer we have got after adding the two numbers. From this I will subtract this one. See here, 7, 7, 5, 6, 8, 1. Now 4 minus, we have taken 1 borrow, now this becomes 10, here we left with 1. From this if I take 1 borrow, this 4 becomes 14, here we left with 9. Now 14 minus 7, if you subtract 7 from 14, you will left with 7. Now 9 minus 7 is 2, 1 minus 5 is not possible. For that I will take 1 borrow from this 8, now this 1 becomes 11, here we will left with 7. Okay, now 11 minus 5 is how much? 11 minus 5 is 6. Okay, 7 minus 6 is how much? 7 minus 6 is 1. Okay, now 4 minus 8 is also not possible. For that I will take 1 borrow from this 8. Now this 4 becomes 14. Here we left with 7. Okay, now if you subtract 8 from 14, what you will get? You will get 6. Okay, now see here, 7 minus 1 is what? It is 6 only. Okay. So this is the final result. So don't consider this is the final result. After adding these two numbers, whatever the result you will get, from that if you subtract the remaining number, then after subtraction what you will get, that is the final answer. Okay, you can write this here also like this. In continuation only you can write. Okay, like this you need to write. 6, 1, 6, 6. Okay, like this. First we have added two numbers and we have subtracted the remaining number from the sum of these two numbers and we have got the answer as this one. So we have got how much? 6,61,627 is the answer. Okay. Now let us move to the second problem. We will solve the second one. Okay. See here. The second one is 356109 minus 94179 plus 204931. Okay. Now in the same question we are having the subtraction also and the addition also. In these kinds of problem, what we need to do? in the previous problem they have given you the numbers having the plus symbol one side, but here they are scattered. They have not connected the numbers having the plus symbol one side. Here it is having plus symbol and the other number having the plus symbol is here. Now we need to write these two numbers one side. We need to group these two numbers one side. Okay, for that what I will do, I will write like this, plus I will write the third number which is containing the plus symbol. Now I will write this number containing the minus symbol another side. Okay, now add these two numbers. See here I will add 1, 3, 9, 4, 0, 2. Okay, 9 plus 1 is 10. Keep 0, take 1 as a carry. Now 1 plus 0 is 1 only. 1 plus 3 is 4. Now 9 plus 1 is 10. Write 0, take 1 as a carry. Now 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 4 becomes what? It becomes 11. Write 1 and take 1 as a carry. Now 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 0 is 6 only. Now 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, from this you need to subtract this number. Okay, I will write separately. Okay, from this number I will subtract this 94,179. Okay, for that I will write in the column form. So 0 minus 9 is not possible. For that I will take 1, borrow from this 4. Now this 0 becomes 10. Here we get 3. 10 minus 9 is 1. 3 minus 7 is not possible. For that I will take 1 borrow. So before taking 1 borrow, here we are having 0. For that I will take 1 borrow from this one. Now this 0 becomes 10. Here we left with 0. Now if I take 1 borrow from this 10, here we left with 9. 3 becomes 13. If you subtract 7 from 13, what you will get? You will get 6. Okay. Now see here, 9 minus 1 is 8. Here I am having 0. 0 minus 4 is not possible. For that I will take 1 borrow from this 6. Now this 6 becomes 5. Here we are having 10. 10 minus 4 is how much? If you subtract 4 from 10, you will get 6. Now 5 minus 9 is also not possible. For that, what you need to do? I will take 1 borrow from this 5. Now this 5 becomes 15. Here we left with 4. Okay, 15 minus 9. If you subtract 9 from 15, what you will get? You will get 6. Okay, now 4, write as it is. This is the final answer. First, I can write this as here also in the continuation. Okay, I will write like this. You can write like this, or you can do the subtraction by taking the separate part also. Okay. So this is the final result. In this problem, what we have done? We have written the numbers having the plus symbol one side like this. We have written this is having plus symbol. So this number is also having plus symbol. We have grouped these two numbers one side, and we have kept the number having the minus symbol on other side. And in the next step, what we have done? We have added the two numbers. Okay, we have added two numbers, and we have got the sum as what? It is 5,61,040. From this 5,61,040, we have subtracted this 94,179. So after subtracting 94,179 from 5,61,040, we have got one answer. So that answer is what? It is 4,66,861. So this last answer is the final answer. Okay. So like this you should solve these kinds of problems. And with the question number B, we are having 3 more problems. Okay. Now I will give these 3 problems for you people to do in your homes. Okay. These 3 problems are given to you as a homework. So please do it in your home and send me. Okay students, I will write the questions in the board, on the board. Please take note. Okay, homework. The third question is what? It is 991908 minus 601295 plus 40417. Okay. Now the fourth question is 44 70 plus 158071 minus 80347. Okay, the last question is 731518 minus 552649 plus 76002. So please write down these problems and do it in your home, and please send me compulsory. Okay, if you send the homeworks, then only I will give 5 marks in your FA3 test. So whoever will not send the homework, I will deduct 5 marks from your FA tests. Okay, now so these 3 questions you can also have in your textbook in the page number 49. In the question number B, last 3 questions you need to solve. Okay, now take down these 3 questions and do it in your homes, and please send me. Okay, thank you.